The video opens with a montage of intriguing space phenomena. The montage hints at hidden secrets within the cosmos. The sequence introduces unexplained mysteries of the universe. Space conspiracy theories blend elements of science fiction with potential realities. These theories often explore suppressed information and alternative explanations regarding space exploration and discoveries. The appeal of space conspiracy theories lies in their ability to challenge established narratives and offer intriguing possibilities. This video will explore 5 specific space conspiracy theories. Each theory will be presented with supporting and opposing evidence. The video aims to provide a balanced overview of these controversial topics. The term dark side of the moon refers to the hemisphere that always faces away from Earth. This dark side is not always dark. It experiences day and night cycles just like Earth. The far side of the moon remained a mystery until it was first photographed by a Soviet spacecraft. The theory suggests the far side of the moon may conceal alien bases or secret human colonies. This hypothesis speculates about advanced technologies and clandestine activities hidden from public view. The alien base theory remains speculative due to limited exploration and data from the moon's far side. The abrupt cancellation of NASA lunar missions has fueled conspiracy theories. These cancellations are often cited as evidence of hidden agendas or technological limitations. The lack of subsequent manned lunar missions raises questions about the official narrative. Apollo 11 astronauts reported observing unexplained lights on the lunar surface. Astronauts also documented the presence of possible structures during their lunar missions. These observations remain subjects of ongoing analysis and interpretation within the scientific community. In 2019, China's lunar rover captured unusual anomalies on the moon's surface. These anomalies present intriguing evidence that warrants further scientific investigation. The nature and origin of these lunar anomalies remain unknown. Skeptical views challenge interpretations of lunar data related to the dark side theories. Misinterpretations of lunar data often stem from insufficient consideration of lighting angles and image processing techniques. Counterarguments emphasize the importance of verifying data with multiple independent sources and rigorous scientific analysis. The moon's origin and influence on Earth remain subjects of ongoing scientific investigation. Beyond its natural satellite status, the moon's potential as a future space exploration and resource hub is under consideration. Further research is needed to fully understand the moon's role in the solar system and its potential benefits for humanity. Project Serpo is an alleged top-secret exchange program between the US government and extraterrestrial beings. The program purportedly began in the 1960s following a UFO crash near Roswell, New Mexico. It is claimed that 12 US military personnel traveled to the planet Serpo as part of this exchange. Claims suggest a secret exchange program between Earth and the Zeta Reticuli star system. The alleged program involved the exchange of personnel between Earth and an extraterrestrial civilization. Details of the exchange program remain shrouded in secrecy and are subject to speculation. The Serpo exchange program allegedly involved US military personnel staying on an alien planet for a decade. The purpose of the Serpo exchange program was to foster cultural and technological exchange between humans and extraterrestrials. Details of the Serpo exchange program remain controversial and unverified. The Serpo exchange program allegedly resulted in humans returning with advanced technological and scientific knowledge. This knowledge purportedly included breakthroughs in energy, medicine, and material science. The extent and impact of this acquired knowledge remains subjects of speculation and debate. Leaked documents form a central part of the Serpo evidence. Whistleblower testimonies provide corroborating accounts of the Serpo timeline. The Serpo timeline is constructed from a combination of leaked documents and whistleblower accounts. Suspicious gaps exist within NASA's official logs. These gaps align chronologically with the purported Serpo timeline. The temporal correlation raises questions about potential omissions or undisclosed events. Skeptics dismiss the Serpo story as a hoax, citing a lack of verifiable evidence. Inconsistencies and contradictions within the Serpo narrative are often highlighted by skeptics. The Serpo narrative's resemblance to science fiction themes raises suspicion about its authenticity. The Serpo story is presented as either an elaborate hoax or a major interstellar cover-up. The lack of verifiable evidence fuels the debate surrounding the authenticity of the Serpo exchange program. The Serpo narrative raises questions about government transparency and the potential for extraterrestrial contact. Iapetus is a unique moon of Saturn, notable for its distinctive two-tone coloration. This moon exhibits an unusual equatorial ridge that spans a significant portion of its circumference. Iapetus's geometric appearance and contrasting surface features make it an intriguing subject of study. Iapetus features a massive equatorial ridge, an unusual geological formation. The ridge's geometric regularity suggests a unique formation process. Iapetus's geometric features are not fully explained by current geological models. Iapetus, one of Saturn's moons, exhibits a striking resemblance to the Death Star from Star Wars due to its prominent equatorial ridge. The equatorial ridge on Iapetus is a unique geological feature that runs along nearly the entire circumference of the moon. This resemblance is purely coincidental, as Iapetus's ridge is a natural formation, while the Death Star is a fictional construct. The artificial structure theory suggests Iapetus is not a naturally formed moon, but a constructed object. One hypothesis proposes Iapetus is a hollow structure, possibly an ancient spaceship or artificial habitat. The equatorial ridge and unusual shape of Iapetus are cited as evidence supporting the artificial structure theory. Iapetus, a moon of Saturn, has been photographed by NASA missions. Despite being photographed, Iapetus has received limited in-depth exploration by NASA. Further exploration of Iapetus could reveal more about its unique geological features and history. Skeptical views challenge the artificial structure theory of Iapetus, proposing natural geological processes as an alternative. Natural geological processes, such as tectonic shifts and erosion, could explain the observed features on Iapetus. The ridge on Iapetus, often cited as artificial, may be the result of ancient geological activity. The limited exploration of Iapetus by NASA raises questions about potential discoveries. Further investigation of Iapetus could reveal unique insights into the Saturnian system's formation and evolution. Speculation exists regarding undisclosed knowledge NASA may possess about Iapetus. The Black Knight satellite is a purported object orbiting Earth, shrouded in mystery and speculation. Its origins and purpose remain unknown, fueling various theories ranging from extraterrestrial probes to lost human-made satellites. Despite numerous investigations, no definitive evidence confirms its true identity or function. The Black Knight conspiracy theory claims an object of unknown origin has orbited Earth for thousands of years. Proponents suggest the object predates human spaceflight, implying extraterrestrial origins or advanced ancient technology. Skeptics attribute the Black Knight to debris from early space missions or misidentified satellites. In the 1960s, radio operators reported receiving unusual transmissions. These transmissions were purportedly linked to the Black Knight object. The nature and origin of these radio transmissions remain unconfirmed. Ancient civilizations documented sightings of an unidentified dark object in the sky. These records suggest a long-term presence of the object throughout human history. The nature and origin of the dark object remain unknown based on ancient accounts. NASA identifies the Black Knight as space debris, not an alien satellite. The object is likely a thermal blanket lost during a space mission. Misidentification and speculation contribute to the Black Knight myth. The Black Knight satellite exhibits an unusual orbit, deviating from typical satellite trajectories. Its orbit's inclination and eccentricity differ significantly from those of known, natural, or man-made objects. NASA's explanation contrasts with the observed orbital characteristics of the Black Knight. Skeptics propose the Black Knight satellite is merely space junk. Misinterpretation of natural phenomena is another skeptical explanation for the Black Knight. The Black Knight could be a lost or forgotten early satellite. The Black Knight satellite is theorized by some to be an extraterrestrial probe. One hypothesis suggests the Black Knight is monitoring Earth. The true nature and origin of the Black Knight remain unknown and are subjects of speculation. The theory suggests Mars may have once harbored an intelligent civilization. Evidence for a Martian civilization remains speculative and open to interpretation. The existence of past Martian life is a subject of ongoing scientific debate and investigation. Claims suggest remnants of a civilization, including pyramid-like structures, may exist on Mars. Statue-like formations are also cited as potential evidence of past Martian inhabitants. These alleged remnants are subjects of ongoing scientific debate and analysis. Claims suggest the presence of artificial structures and ruins on the Martian surface. Former NASA employees have allegedly reported observations of these anomalies. The alleged ruins imply the possibility of a past or extinct Martian civilization. Rover images reveal unexplained shapes on the Martian surface. These shapes present potential geological or even biological mysteries. Further analysis is required to determine the origin and nature of these Martian anomalies. Shapes on the Martian surface resemble humanoid figures. Structures on Mars exhibit features suggestive of door-like openings. Certain formations on Mars bear resemblance to complex machinery. Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon where the human brain perceives familiar patterns in random or ambiguous stimuli. NASA explains that perceived faces or shapes on Mars are likely due to pareidolia, not actual structures. Understanding pareidolia helps to differentiate between genuine discoveries and perceptual illusions in space exploration. Skeptical views propose that alleged Martian civilization structures are actually natural geological formations. Wind erosion and other natural processes can create formations that mimic artificial structures. Analysis of Martian surface images reveals patterns consistent with natural geological processes, not artificial construction. The human fascination with Mars may stem from a deep-seated desire to find a new home. Exploring Mars represents a fundamental human drive to expand our horizons and seek new frontiers. The potential for future colonization fuels the ongoing scientific and exploratory interest in the red planet. The far side of the moon, also known as the dark side, is not visible from Earth. The claim that the dark side of the moon is occupied is a conspiracy theory lacking scientific evidence. Lunar exploration missions have extensively mapped and studied the far side of the moon, revealing its geological composition. The montage presents various images of the moon, showcasing its surface features and potential points of interest. Diagrams illustrate theoretical underground base designs, emphasizing structural integrity and resource management. Artist renderings depict speculative alien structures, blending scientific plausibility with imaginative design. Project Serpo is an alleged top-secret exchange program between the US government and extraterrestrial beings. The program purportedly involved the exchange of personnel to learn about alien technology and culture. The authenticity of Project Serpo remains unverified and is widely considered a conspiracy theory. Government documents provide a framework for understanding the alleged extraterrestrial interactions. Illustrations of the Zeta Reticuli star system offer a visual context for the purported alien origins. Depictions of human-alien interaction explore the speculative nature of contact scenarios. Iapetus, one of Saturn's moons, exhibits unusual characteristics that have led to speculation about its artificial origin. A prominent equatorial ridge spanning a significant portion of Iapetus's circumference is among the features fueling the artificial moon hypothesis. The stark contrast between Iapetus's light and dark hemispheres presents another anomaly that contributes to the artificiality conjecture. Iapetus exhibits a striking dichotomy in surface coloration, with one hemisphere significantly darker than the other. The unique equatorial ridge on Iapetus bears a resemblance to the Death Star from Star Wars. Hypothetical models suggest Iapetus may possess an unusual internal structure, potentially including hollow regions. The Black Knight satellite is a hypothetical object claimed to orbit Earth. Its alleged origin and purpose remain subjects of speculation and conspiracy theories. No conclusive evidence supports the existence of the Black Knight satellite as an alien probe. The Black Knight satellite is an object that has been interpreted by some as an extraterrestrial satellite orbiting Earth. Its unusual orbit and purported age have fueled speculation about its origins and purpose. Some theories suggest ancient civilizations may have observed and documented the Black Knight satellite. NASA's Mars explorations have yielded significant discoveries beyond the search for extraterrestrial life. Analysis of Martian soil and rock samples has revealed evidence of past water activity and potential habitability. These findings provide valuable insights into planetary evolution and the potential for life beyond Earth. Rover photos from Mars reveal areas of interest suggesting potential ruins. These potential ruins spark speculation about a past Martian civilization. Artist renderings visualize possible structures and life from a hypothesized ancient Martian civilization. Space experts often dismiss unsupported theories regarding the Moon. Expert opinions are based on scientific data and observational evidence. Interview snippets reveal the consensus view against unsubstantiated claims. Interstellar travel poses significant challenges due to vast distances and current technological limitations. Energy requirements for interstellar journeys are immense, exceeding current propulsion capabilities and energy storage technologies. The long duration of interstellar travel raises concerns about the psychological and physiological effects on human travelers. Iapetus features a prominent equatorial ridge, sparking debate among geologists regarding its formation. One hypothesis suggests the ridge formed from the collapse of a ring system onto Iapetus's equator. Another theory proposes that the ridge is the result of cryovolcanic activity along a fracture zone. The Black Knight is often misinterpreted as an alien probe due to its unknown origin and unusual orbital characteristics. Astrophysicists attribute the Black Knight to space debris, thermal blankets, or lost spacecraft components. Analysis of radio signals attributed to the Black Knight reveals no evidence of extraterrestrial communication. Astrobiologists face significant challenges in the search for extant or extinct life on Mars. The harsh Martian environment presents obstacles, including extreme temperatures, radiation exposure, and the lack of liquid water. Evidence of past or present microbial life on Mars may be subtle and difficult to detect using current exploration technologies. The dark side of the Moon remains perpetually hidden from Earth's view. Animated maps can visually reinforce understanding of the Moon's far side topography. Visual representations aid in spatial comprehension of lunar geography. Project Serpo's timeline can be visually reinforced through animation. Claims made by Project Serpo are contrasted with documented historical events. Visual reinforcement highlights discrepancies between Serpo claims and established historical records. Iapetus is a moon of Saturn, notable for its striking two-tone coloration. The dark terrain is primarily composed of material deposited from Phoebe. Iapetus also features an equatorial ridge that runs along approximately 75% of its circumference. The Black Knight satellite is theorized to orbit Earth. This theory suggests the object's orbit is unusual and not of natural origin. Visual reinforcement of the Black Knight theory through animated simulation. Visual reinforcement theory suggests potential ruins can be identified through comparative analysis of rover imagery. Side-by-side comparisons enhance the visibility of anomalies that might otherwise be overlooked in single images. This approach aims to provide visual evidence supporting the hypothesis of past or present structures on Mars. Perspective can significantly alter the perceived size and shape of lunar features in images. Variations in lighting conditions can create misleading impressions of surface texture and depth on the Moon. Understanding perspective and lighting is crucial for accurate interpretation of lunar images. The Serpo story involves alleged travel between Earth and the Zeta Reticuli star system. Zeta Reticuli is located approximately 39 light-years away from Earth. Interstellar travel to Zeta Reticuli would require advanced technology far beyond current capabilities. Geological simulations explain the formation of Iapetus's equatorial ridge. The simulations visually debunk alternative formation theories. These simulations provide insights into the Moon's internal structure and geological history. Satellite tracking data reveals the object's trajectory. Analysis of the object's composition provides insights into its origin. Visual debunking relies on verifiable data and scientific analysis. Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon where the human brain perceives familiar patterns in random or vague stimuli. This often leads to the misinterpretation of images, such as seeing faces or structures on Mars. Understanding pareidolia helps in critically evaluating visual data and avoiding unfounded conclusions. A concise recap of 5 space conspiracy theories is presented. Each theory is briefly summarized with key points highlighted for clarity. The recap serves as a concluding overview of the discussed space conspiracy theories. Encouraging viewers to critically examine established narratives fosters intellectual growth. Considering alternative perspectives can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of complex issues. Questioning accepted realities promotes innovation and the discovery of new possibilities. The universe is characterized by its immense scale and seemingly endless expanse. Many phenomena in the universe remain unexplained, presenting profound mysteries to science. The universe's age, billions of years, suggests a history far beyond human comprehension. Some science fiction stories may originate from ancient facts, yet to be rediscovered. The rediscovery of ancient knowledge could potentially validate or inspire elements within science fiction narratives. Science fiction often explores concepts that, while seemingly fantastical, might have roots in forgotten historical realities. Engage with our content by liking this video to show your support. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and regular updates. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest uploads. The video has only begun to explore the secrets of the cosmos. Countless mysteries remain undiscovered beyond our current understanding. Future explorations promise to reveal further insights into the universe's vastness. Viewers are encouraged to share their most reality-questioning theory. Community engagement fosters deeper understanding and diverse perspectives. Shared experiences can lead to new insights and intellectual exploration. Display related video thumbnails to encourage further viewing. Include social media links for viewers to connect and engage. Ensure a clear call to action to subscribe for future content. The universe is vast and filled with mysteries that science continues to explore. Some science fiction narratives may reflect ancient realities that are only now being rediscovered. Ongoing scientific discoveries suggest a cyclical nature to knowledge, where future insights echo past wisdom.